Today we are going to see about combination of thin lenses in contact. This is chapter 9.5.4, 12th standard physics. So now we have considered two thin lenses, very thin lenses. They are just touching each other. You can assume the point of contact to be P. And also since these two lenses are very close, the P can be assumed to be the center of lens A and B. Now this lens A has a focal length f1 and lens B has a focal length f2. Now what happens is, this is object, so the ray from O points to A, and if the lens is not there, B lens is not there, the image would have formed here, which is I1. Okay, but since the lens is, we have another lens B, this image, the virtual image, forms the object for the lens B. So the distance between O and P is U. P and I1 is V1 and P and I is the V. That is, this is the final image. So image I1, this one, is real and serves as a virtual object for the second lens B, producing the final image at I. So the image I1 forms the virtual object for the second lens. That is, it is the source for the second lens. That's the meaning. Okay. So if the lens B is not there, then the image would have formed here. So this image 1 goes once again, converges and forms the image, final image at I because of the lens 2. So keeping this in mind, we know that U, the final image V, distance V, and V1. Okay. Now we have the lens formula. So what is lens formula? 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So if you consider for the first case, 1 by V1 minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F1. This is for lens 1, lens A. 1 by V minus 1 by V1 is equal to 1 by F2, because the source object for the second lens is taken as image 1 I1. Therefore, we take 1 by V1, which is equal to 1 by F2. So now we have two equations. You add these two equations. This 1 by V1 minus 1 by V1 gets cancelled. Therefore, we have 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. Already we know the value for 1 by V minus 1 by U, which is nothing but 1 by F. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. That is, for two lenses, we have 1 by F is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. Suppose you have three lenses, 1, 2 and 3. Three thin lenses with different focal points. Then we have the relation 1 by F is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 plus 1 by F3. Suppose we have n number of lenses connected together, thin lenses connected together. Then we have 1 by F is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 plus 1 by F3 and keeps on going. And this can be said in terms of power of the lens. So 1 by F is the total power of the lens, which is nothing but 1 by F1, which is the individual power of the lens 1 or lens A, lens B, lens C, like that. So P1 is the individual power of the first lens, P2 is the individual power of the second lens, and P3 is the individual lens of the third lens. Likewise, for n number of lenses, you should add all those things to get the net power of the or total power of the lens combination. So now we know we have to find the total magnification M when all these lenses are connected together. So the total magnification power of the lens M is equal to magnification factor of lens 1 multiplied by magnification factor of M2 of lens L2 M2 and magnification factor of M3. So M1 into M2 into M3 and keeps on going for n number of lenses. That will give you the total magnification. So in terms of power we are adding, and in terms of magnification we are multiplying the individual lens magnification value. So that's all about combination of thin lenses in contact. The key points what we have to remember is we have taken two lenses. This is object. If lenses B is not there, the image would have formed here. This image is the source for the lens B. Therefore, this source can be treated as a virtual object and the final image falls here. So the distance here is U and this is V, final image distance is V, and the image I1 is at distance V1 from P. So finally we got the answer as 1 by F is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 if it is two lens, and if you have n number of lenses you have to keep on add this value. In terms of power, P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus keeps on going because 1 by F is P and 1 by F1 is P1 like that. In terms of magnification, total magnification M is equal to M1 multiplied by M2 multiplied by M3 and keeps on going. So product of M1, M2, M3 goes up to n terms. So that's all about combination of thin lenses in contact. Hope you have understood this topic in detail. Thanks for watching. Nandri.